Hi guys, this is Crux from Tech Gear. So today we have something rather rare in the studio here. Right here, we have the Gigabyte 3080 gaming OC. So I'm not sure if you can see it. Can you see it? All right, there we go. Okay, so 3080, we will be unboxing it and we'll be doing a review, comparing it to other 3080s as well. Alright, so before we crack it open, let me get my trusty gloves out. Alright, so here we go. There we go. Chuck away the box. Gigabyte on the top. Alright. And there's another Gigabyte envelope in the box. So, I'm not sure what's in this, as this is my first time opening it. So I think there's a user manual and a warranty registration card. So if you register your card online, you get 4 years warranty. Okay, so that's about it. Alright, let's put that away. Boom, put that away. Alright, and here is the card itself, guys. Oh, it's actually pretty heavy. It's pretty big as well. So it's actually bigger than my face, I think. Alright. Okay, put away the box. Alright. Listen to this. Okay. Get a card out. Doesn't it looks nice, guys? What an absolute beast. Look at it. Gunmetal finishing on the back plate and clear Gigabyte branding. So this is a serial number and the heatsink is huge, guys. So the heatsink design is actually quite similar to other Gigabyte cards with 3 fans, namely the Vision card and the Extreme and Eagle OC. So the PCB is actually only around this length, and this is actually blow through. So the fans actually suck in air from this side and it comes out from this side. So let's find out how big the fans actually are. Let me see. Right, so it's about 9.5. Yeah, about, actually no, it's actually 9 centimeters. So we have 3 9 centimeters fan. The fans actually do not spin all in the same direction. It's actually, this one spins this way, and then this one spins this way, and this one spins this way. So Gigabyte claims that it's gonna allow better airflow. At the back here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ports. Let's see what ports they are. So 1 display port, 2 HDMIs, 2 DP, and we have a total of 3 display ports and 2 HDMIs. So in terms of RGB, this card doesn't have a lot of RGB. It has some RGB around here, the logo here, and then this tiny bit of plastic right below it, it has RGB as well. So not a lot of RGB. It's definitely good for some people that doesn't want too much RGB in their system. And then a curious detail, so there's actually a tiny switch right here that allows you to switch the BIOS mode from OC to silent. So there's actually a tiny writing right here. So I'm not sure if you can see that in post. Maybe we can crop it in. But yeah, so there's actually a tiny switch here that allows you to swap the BIOS mode. I'm assuming in OC mode, the fans is gonna spin faster and louder if you want all that performance. But yeah, that's about it. And we have two GPU mount holes right here. And yeah, that's about it, guys. Stay tuned and watch Tech Gear, guys.